Okay, my friend, I'm at the end of these 2 days at Toftcombs House, 15 and 16 March 2022. Here, I'm about to finish to wash these dishes, and then I'm done. I let you see how I leave the kitchen. If you have seen the previous video, there was so many things. The van, my van is here, is packed with all my tools, my cameras, my things, and I show you also the kitchen. Yeah, and see, nice and tidy. And it's 5 o'clock. Here there is a few things left for my customers that they are going away tomorrow morning, but my job is finished today. And so from Toftcombs House, private chef Giuseppe Manzoli say hello, and please like and subscribe to my channel, please, and help me to grow this channel where I'm going to do cooking classes, and I'm gonna show you all the private chef life and challenges. I see you the next video. Ciao, Giuseppe.